drove round trip 10 hours for the wrong freaking hood.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Dave and I are in the Jeep today, and we just bought a new 2008 International day cab. It's nothing special, but our plans are either to put it to work or clean it up and flip it and hopefully make a profit on it. So let's go get it.
It's dirty.
Yeah, it's gonna need a bath.
Alright, so we made it back here with the International. We ran out of daylight, so we're working in the dark now, but we got the Milwaukee light and the Jeep light shining up on it. There's Ryan finally showed up. But it's actually really nice weather right now. Probably, I think it's like 60, 50 something degrees.
Yeah, it's like 60.
I mean, so
dude, this thing's filthy.
Yeah,
this is disgusting.
It is. But we're gonna try to take advantage of it and pressure wash it, clean it all off. And
Gotta get some eyewear though. That slag, the stuff we're trying to pin off, is just getting all in our eyes. I think first we gotta make a run back to the house and grab some protective eyewear. Gotta make sure we're up with our safety.
all right, but yeah, we'll get to it. It's about the next weekend, and E and I, it's about 5 in the morning right now, but we left it around what, 4 o'clock?
Yeah, we got on around at 4.
We got our big 20-foot enclosed trailer and taking the old trusty F-150 here. We're heading off to Indianapolis for a hood for that 08 International. Oh my God. Breakfast of Champions. I think we're gonna be paying the price here in a little bit. But it's the hood for the 08 International. We after we got the truck back, we were really looking at everything, and the crack in that hood is just, it's gonna take an ungodly amount of time to fix it. So we found actually this hood on Facebook Marketplace for $300. Fully dressed hood with the grill, the headlights, the mirror brackets on either end. I mean, it's a good looking hood from what we can see in pictures. Although pictures can be deceiving. But we're thinking it's gonna be a good one.
Yeah.
So we got, what's it saying, about 4 hours ahead of us, or about 271 miles till we get there. I know the guy mentioned he wanted us to be there before 9:30. So we're gonna try our dandest there. Dandest, is that even a word?
I've never heard of that before.
I don't know. I need to drink a few more of these coffees here to wake up. We're gonna try our hardest to get there. So we'll see you guys when we're picking up the hood. So that sheets we had for breakfast was not a good idea. I knew it wouldn't be, but had to get something to help us get up in the morning. So when in doubt, fall back on the Red Bull.
So we got the hood, we just stopped, fill back up again. We're getting a whole 7 miles to the gallon hauling this box of the trailer behind us, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And the hood was great shape. Guy was really cool.
Brian, Bill,
Yeah.
Ben, I think it was Ben. If you're watching the video, thank you, sir. Hood looks great. It's got the mirrors. It's got
everything.
Literally like they just pulled it off the truck with the lights.
Yeah, same color as the truck we need to put it on, so
For $300,
works out perfect for us.
you can't beat it. How much longer we got till we're back home? What's it say down here?
4.5 hours.
4.5 hours. Oh goodness. And it's a whole whopping, when we left this morning, it was 4 degrees. Now it's 26.
And we're a little southwest.
Yeah,
so
so
we
it
gotta
goes
go
Indianapolis.
northeast now.
Yep.
So it's probably gonna drop, but
Well,
let's get going.
what do you say we do it?
All right, guys, we're almost back home. Hopefully the hood is still back there. We strapped it down with 2 ratchet straps kind of at an X over the top and looped it through the mirrors. So we're hoping it's still together, right?
Yeah, hopefully we didn't break anything.
I mean, we've done it a few times. It was 320 down and 320 back. So 640 if I can do math correctly.
That'd be a waste of 640 miles if this thing is broke.
And countless trips to the gas station, man. I thought this F-150 would be good on gas, but apparently not. May as well just brought the diesel with us. But this thing did a great job. I mean, this was our first time really towing distance with this truck, and it's a newer truck, and it did a good job. I mean, this trailer's a giant rectangle cube that we're dragging through the wind. And of course, everywhere we went, the wind was coming straight on towards. We didn't get any tailwinds pushing us. So we were fighting that the whole way. But we're home. And now I think it's time to take a little nap maybe and get this hood put on because we got to get this truck ready to go.
Let's do it.
So let's go get something to eat, take a quick nap because we're going to pretend we're like 80 years old and old people now and go home, do our mid-afternoon nap and go put this hood on. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, it's the next day. E and I came home and we crashed, and by the time we got up, it was already dark. So we're here to put this hood on. This one right here, let's show you really what the damage looks like. This is why we went and just got the new hood. It is 40 degrees out here, so the snow is melting relatively quickly. But there's this huge, I mean, it looked like somebody ran this thing into something. And yeah.
Mirror break.
The mirror, I think, maybe hit something because, like, the light right here isn't damaged.
No.
Except back in the corner.
It almost, like if somebody were
You
to
think
grab
that would
this,
almost
try to
shatter.
open the hood like this way. Because, I mean,
Or
who
wind
really
took
cares?
it,
Honestly,
or-
who really cares? But the new hood is in there, still strapped down. So let's get you guys a good look and see what it looks like in here. This one's actually got some little lights here. Who knows if they, well, they don't, yeah, they are hooked up, but look, there's no crack or anything except for this bracket. We're gonna have to replace that, but luckily the one's
Just
still...
the rubber around the mirror down
Yeah, that one over there is still good. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing unhooked and pull off that hood, right? You think we should pull that one off first before we put this one on? Yeah.
Well, we gotta pull that off
yeah,
to
we
put
can-
this on.
we can,
We
yeah.
can't put them on at the same time.
Yep. All right, so let's get this one unstrapped, and then we'll go work our way on that one and getting that one taken off. All right, so Dave's just wiping the new hood out. We got it pulled out of the trailer. That's the old one still sitting over there. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get this thing lifted up and put on there, and then we'll secure it all down, but at least get it sitting on the cowl so that way we can line up the bottom bolts with the brackets on the bottom side of this hood right here. I think that's the right way to do it, Dave. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get this thing put on. All right, guys, we really screwed up. So this hood is a little smaller than the hood that came off, which means that that hood is not going on there. So we drove round trip 10 hours for the wrong freaking hood.
Yep.
So I guess you live and learn. Unfortunately, we had to do it the hard way. But we're gonna call it a video, and I guess it looks like we're gonna have more videos to come on this truck because we're gonna end up fixing that. We tried to take the cheaper way out and just buy a new hood.
Or if we find a hood in the meantime.
Yeah, so let us know down in the comments. I mean, I'm still unaware if there's 2 models. I thought it was just a International Prostar made one hood, but apparently they make a couple hoods. So let us know what one you guys think that we have, if it's the bigger hood. I know Peterbilt, they do the short nose and the long nose, but I didn't know International did the same kind of thing. But that's good. We're gonna call it for this video because honestly we're a little pissed off right now, and we got to get to working on getting this one fixed up.
We gotta put everything back together. We gotta throw this hood back on for the time being.
Yeah.
And hook it all back up. And then clean up our mess here and figure out where we're gonna put this thing.
Yeah, we're a little frustrated, so we're just gonna call it a video, and we will see you guys all next time. So until then, don't be stupid like us, and make sure you measure twice.
Yeah,
and
make sure you guys know
buy
what you're gonna
once.
pick up first.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.
Yeah.